In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a portfolio website using Weebly. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive into creating your online presence. Weebly is a fantastic platform that simplifies the process of building a professional-looking website, and it's perfect for showcasing your work. First things first, head over to Weebly and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll want to create one. Once you're logged in, you'll be brought to your dashboard where you can start your journey. The first step in building your website is to organize your pages. Click on the Pages tab at the top of your screen. This is where you can easily add, delete, or even reorder your pages. For a portfolio, I recommend creating essential pages like Home, About Me, Portfolio, and Contact. To add a new page, simply click on the Add button, choose the type of page you want, and give it a title. You can easily move pages around by dragging them, allowing you to set them in a way that flows best for your visitors. Once you have your pages set up, it's time to add content. Switch to the Build tab, where the real fun happens. This is a drag-and-drop interface, which means you can take elements like titles, text, and images and place them wherever you want on your pages. Want to show off multiple projects? Use the gallery element. Drag that onto your portfolio page and upload images of your work. You can even add descriptions to enhance the viewer's experience. Now, let's add some interactive elements. A contact form is essential for inquiries, so your visitors can easily reach out to you. You can find the contact form element in the Build tab as well. Just drag it onto your contact page. It's customizable, so you can adjust the fields to gather the information you need. Remember to make it user-friendly. Also, consider adding buttons around your website for linking to external resources like your digital resume or social media profiles. With content added, it's time to think about how your website looks. Click on the Theme tab next. Here, you can customize the design to reflect your personal brand. Choose different fonts, adjust colors, and play with the overall layout. It's important that your website mirrors your style and identity, so take some time here to ensure it feels you. Before you move on to the exciting part of going live, take a moment to preview your site. Look for a Preview button and check how your site appears on both desktop and mobile views. This is crucial as you want to ensure everything looks great on any device. Make any adjustments if necessary. Once you're satisfied, it's time to make your portfolio live. Click the blue Publish button. A pop-up may appear asking you to choose a domain or connect to an existing one. Follow those prompts and voila, your portfolio website is live for the world to see. And there you have it, a stunning portfolio website created effortlessly with Weebly. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and tips. Happy building,